Good morning dear students. In this video today we will continue chapter 11, the development of medical science, and we will start from prevention of diseases through vaccination. In this video we will learn how vaccination was discovered and who discovered it first. A famous doctor, Edward Jenner of England, paved the way for vaccination. He was the first who invented a vaccine. Through vaccinations, the body is made to develop a defense system which makes it immune from diseases. Means our body becomes immune against diseases. We don't fall sick if we have got vaccinated ourselves. Through vaccination, the body is made to develop a defense system which makes it immune from diseases. Smallpox was a dreaded disease in 18th century. Thousands of people die of it. The discovery of vaccination is an interesting story. One day a milkmaid told Dr. Jenner that she would never have smallpox because she had already had cowpox. A milkmaid told Dr. Jenner that she had already suffered from cowpox. What was cowpox? It was a disease milder than smallpox which human beings got from cattle. To test this, he collected the pus oozing from the boils of a patient suffering from the cowpox. The patient who had some pus on his body, Dr. Jenner just collected pus from a patient's body who was suffering from cowpox. He injected the liquid into a young boy. The young boy suffered cowpox disease for some days as expected and recovered later. So the cowpox germs he had collected, he injected those germs into a boy's body, and as usual the boy suffered from cowpox and later he was all right. Jenner now injected the boy with germs of smallpox disease. Now when the boy was recovered from cowpox, he gave him the germs of smallpox through injection, but no reaction was discovered. He observed that boy for many days, but there was no reaction of the germs of smallpox. The boy did not get smallpox. Thus anti-smallpox vaccine was discovered. In this way, anti-smallpox vaccine was discovered, and it could prevent the dreadful disease smallpox. Many other vaccines were later developed to prevent diseases like polio, measles, tetanus, diphtheria, etc. Louis Pasteur discovered that germs were the cause of many diseases. He found out that boiling milk and water before consuming can kill all germs. So, who was the father of pasteurization? Louis Pasteur. And he had discovered that if we boil the milk and water before drinking it, we can kill the germs in it and it can prevent us from diseases. The process of boiling milk at high temperature and then cooling kills germs. What is done in the pasteurization? First, the milk is boiled at a very high temperature and then it is cooled. In this way, the germs are killed. This is called pasteurization. The simplest and easiest way to prevent diseases is to eat nutritious food and keep the body and surroundings clean. How we can keep ourselves healthy? By eating nutritious food and by keeping our body as well as our surroundings clean. Green vegetables, rice, pulses, milk and any seasonal fruit taken every day leads to a healthy life. If we have green vegetables, rice, pulses, milk, etc. in our daily diet, and we must have some fruit also to keep ourselves healthy. Regular exercise strengthens the body defense against illness. If we do exercises regularly, it creates great defense in our body, and we don't fall sick. Clean and boiled drinking water should be used for drinking. A bath daily keeps the body fresh and clean. There should be a proper drainage system in the house. Other than this, regular health checkups can help to curtail an illness in the initial phase itself. If we feel that we are not feeling healthy, we are not well, so we should have a regular health checkup, and in this way, if disease is just getting started in our body, so in the initial phase, in the starting only, we can get its signals and we can get treatment for it, and in this way we can keep ourselves healthy. So that was all about healthcare and hygiene, and here our chapter ends with this. So have a wonderful day, dear children.